Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to derive the general quadratic formula from the given quadratic equation that says ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let's go. Solution. We have ax squared plus bx plus c. And we have to subtract c from both sides. We have ax squared plus bx plus c minus c, then we subtract c from this side as well. Then we have ax squared plus bx plus 0 is equal to minus c. We have ax squared plus bx is equal to minus c. At this point, we divide throughout by a, so that we have ax squared divided by a plus bx divided by a is equal to minus c divided by a. Then we have x squared plus b ax is equal to minus c over a. So now the next step is we take the coefficient of x, which is over a, b divided by a, then we multiply it by half, we square it, and hence we add it to both sides. Let's say we take the coefficient of x, which is b over a, we multiply it by half, 1 over 2, we square it. So before we add it to both sides, we have to evaluate this so that we have b times 1, and that's equal to b all over a times 2, that is 2a. Then yeah, closing the bracket, square. So now you can add this to both sides. We have s square plus b over a x plus b over 2a square is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a square. Now, so far we transform this into this to get this. We have s squared plus b over 2a square is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a square. Then here becomes x plus b over 2a square is equal to minus c over a plus this we have b square divided by 2 square, then a square. We have to distribute this square to both b over 2a. Then we have x plus b over 2a square is equal to minus c over a plus b square over 2 square. We have 4a square. Then we have x plus b over 2a square. Then we have to simplify this by finding the LCM. The LCM of a and 4a square is 4a. A square is 4a square. Then we have a in 4a square, and that is 4a multiplied by minus c plus 4a square in 4a square, that is 1 multiplied by b square. Then we have x plus 2a square is equal to 4a multiplied by minus c, we have minus 4ac plus 1 times b squared, we have b squared divided by 4a squared. So this implies that we can have this plus a square is the same as having b square minus 4ac all over 4a square. Now, if we square both sides, if we square root both sides, we will have x plus b over 2a square is equal to square root. Then we have plus or minus here. B square minus 4ac all over 4a square. And here we have this, we cancel out this. We have x plus b all over 2a is equal to plus or minus. We have to distribute the square root to both the numerator and denominator. So we have square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Then we have x plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by, we have to distribute the square root to both 4 and a square. We have square root of 4 multiplied by square root of a square. Then we have x plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by square root of 4, that is 2, multiplied by, with this we cancel out this, the square we cancel out this square root. We have a. Then we have x plus 2 over here is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. 2 times a, we have 2a. Then we have to transfer this to this side. We have x plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Then we have x is equal to minus, when we transfer this plus b over 2a to this side, we have minus b all over 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. To simplify this, we have to find the LCM. We have 2a into here we have 1. Then we say 1 times minus b. Then we have plus or minus 2a into here, that's 1, multiplied by square root of b square minus 4ac. Here we have x is equal to 1 times minus b, that is minus b, plus or minus 1 times this, we have square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. If you look at this is a quadratic formula which has the value of x to be minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your network and friends. Do well to also subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our next video. Thanks. Bye.